I've not actually been using this computer that long. It's been just over about a year that I've started using it. My specs in this current PC are an AMD FX 4300 done up with a Hyper 212 Evo from Cooler Master for the actual cooler. Corsair Vengeance 16GB of RAM, a GeForce 750 Ti that's been superclocked by EVGA, and 1TB hard drive, and that's been it. That's been the whole thing for about 12 months, and just over 12 months now. And this PC's done me a hell of a lot of favours. It's practically what's got started my YouTube channel in the first place. I actually started doing videos on this, and it's actually helped me out. But now it is time for an upgrade. The other thing I'm going to be taking from this into the new PC is the actual power supply, because I've worked out that by the time I have done doing all the components and everything, I'll have just over 474 watts, I think, somewhere to that effect. So that's enough with a 600 watt power supply. And there's that much dust in here. It's one of them things. It's like it needs a good clear out. And this practically this case is going to get put to one side and saved for another time, maybe for another build. We're going to have to see what happens with that. So yeah, with all that's being said, I want to just basically say, let's get stripping. So basically we just got the whole thing disconnected, so the main cables are now actually kind of loose, so we now could actually take this motherboard fully out of there, put the little back panels back on here, back where they were with the proper thumb screws, and honestly we're going to get all these cables tidied out as well as my little drive, take everything out and give it a right full strip down. And then once everything's stripped, we can then call it a day and we'll just see where we go from there. And yeah, there's a lot of dust in there, there's a lot of dust particles coming through, if you can see from the actual light itself. So yeah, we're just going to see how far we go, and yeah, we'll carry on. So let me just put you up here somewhere. So yeah guys, that is basically it for the PC stripping. I've taken all the fans out, I've taken everything out. This is what it's like in its bare form. And yeah, we're going to put some, I might see if we can put some fans back in, but for now it's just going to be an empty shell. For now, with no fans inside. All my full table is completely full with computer components and all sorts of stuff. So we're going to put the panels back on, the front panel, the side and the back. There's going to be a bit of all sorts we're going to try and do, and from there we'll call it a night, and yeah, we'll see what happens. But yeah guys, this is the Corsair C70 Vengeance case, and yeah, that's it now, empty altogether. No other components are inside it apart from the front cables that connect to the front. They're all in there, and that's about it for that. So yeah, we're going to go on to the next build, and I'll probably see you guys in the morning. Ta-da! Josh here again with Mystiq Mayhem. You might have seen him in a recent video with in vlogs recently. And yeah, we're going to start getting this PC build done. We're going to start by stripping down the actual PC case itself and then working from there, working his way up. And yeah, let's get this fucking thing built for fine.
Well,
it's been here for ages.
Let's just do it. Okay.
Right.
Bag.
No shit is in a bag. I'm fucking scared now.
like,
like,
the computer's like this.
I don't think I've ever had one in a case like. Well, I've never had a case in a bag before. It's kind of like a fucking prisoner.
It was made in China.
What?
It's made in China.
China.
Made in
I thought it was Taiwan.
Made in China.
Ah, right, son of a.
I fucking hate China.
Sorry,
I
China.
love China.
Sorry, China.
I hope China doesn't beat me up because I said I don't like China.
This thing's tough. That's what she said. George, I'm gonna have to pick it up. I'm actually gonna have to pick the damn thing up. Right. Yeah, just pick it up.
I don't have any spare hands.
Fucking hellfire, that heavy. It's calling to me.
It's calling to me.
It's calling to me. Right, now this is going to be an awkward thing now because you need to put your hand underneath there.
That's what I've done that before.
When I take the...
Check it out then.
Jesus, wet.
Okay.
Right, and I need to take one of these out at a time. And just set it down so it doesn't bash.
Yeah, got it.
That's one. You can sort it down if you want, just let it tilt. And then if I went underneath there, I want you to do the same.
Yeah.
Check it out. Just take that out. I like flickering. Oh. Yeah, go on, pick it up. My hands are underneath it.
Quality content.
Quality content, mate.
Quality.
I don't know why I said mate in there. I don't know. Sorry, Doncaster. That's just the manual. I've had them come with strips, like LED strips and stuff with this. I bet they're inside. Right. I'm thinking we just pull the thing off, but
no, it's
it is strapped. Oh, is that way? Yeah. Oh, yeah, I thought it came like that.
I might have to lift it up a sec.
Yeah, that's fine. That's all off at an industry, the Netherlands and the duty. Oh, no, it ain't. This is the front. Right, so it is. I did get the right idea. Give me a minute.
Yeah.
Chin control.
Where's your light flickering?
I don't know, I think it's...
Get the salt, get the salt! No, okay. That's a supernatural thing.
I've just started watching that recently.
There you go.
So that's the...
There you go.
Sack.
You can bag people in this now when you kidnap them.
It's alright, I'm going to save that bag.
I mean, what?
So that's the wireless charger on the top. If you want to get camera with me. Wireless Qi charger, which is quite good, but it's bloody massive, that thing. I've got like a little circular one about that big. So, right, let's have a look at what this bag looks like. You're filming, yeah? Yo. Alright.
Great. Well, this is going to be easy.
Yeah, just a bit. See, I'm worried now about taking this glass panel off, because if it comes off and it smashes, then that's 200 quid down, shitter.
Nah, it's fine. 200 quid.
Got a screwdriver. They are supposed to be thumb screws, which is... you kidding? It doesn't even fit in it. Where's all the screwdriver? I'm doing this like really dodgily.
Dodgily?
Dodgily. It's like I'm having to use a fucking bottle opener top to actually screw the bits off, because I haven't got a flathead screwdriver anyway, and I actually should have got one before this video. I don't know why that keeps flickering, sorry about that, guys.
Sometimes you put the camera in it. So people
No, I need like a proper high tripod, and I need a better camera, to be honest with you. I'm not gonna lie.
Just put like an epilepsy warning at the beginning of the video. What?
Oh crap, if I have to do with that, Jesus wept.
Well, if you put this in, you will have to now. If I keep talking about it.
Yeah, good point. LED strips start blinking. You know what I mean?
What? Oh, okay.
I'm taking the panel off.
Okay.
That's one. Fucking finger marks all okay.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Fuck, get off me. Get off me. That washer? No, that's the actual grip. I'm not gonna lie, it's a pretty intricate case. You got your fingers around it?
Yeah, I do.
Right, pick the thing up. Ooh. How light's that? Is it light or is it heavy?
It's fucking heavy. Yeah.
They're not fucking about with these. Jesus, wet. Right, I need to find a right good place to put this.
No.
Best idea I've had all day.
Find pure stupid, right,
So
guys?
we've got accessories.
LED strips. I actually want to strip those LEDs.
I actually want to ask
Bit
for your
chunky.
guys' opinion. Do you think it'd be better having one there and one there, or one there and one there?
One there, what? Oh, the LED.
Like the strip, there's two of them. So it's like one there and one there, or one there and one there.
No, one there, one there.
Fair enough. And what's in this?
Watch out. There could be wrist pockets.
Oh, not. As you can tell, guys, he's a big Star Wars fan.
Wow.
That's a lot of accessories.
Oh, well, this is going to be easy.
What?
Another happy
Should really
land.
hope so. Yeah, there's all sorts of stuff. I think there's an SSD tray in here as well for me. Yeah, remember the screws?
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, 32 screws. Yeah,
That's going to
lovely.
be fun.
Lovely.
F is for fun.
Oh no, that's for the, that's if you want to do like a custom water loop. So you put your you put your reservoir on top
And
of
then
it.
have a party on your computer.
Near enough, yeah. I don't know what that's for. I ain't got a clue. Velcro straps, I've got plenty of them. So this has got Silent Wing 3s. There's got one there. It should have two here.
There you
But
go,
why
put them
two? No, where are they though?
in.
Yeah, you didn't think of that, did you?
So
That sounded dickish, sorry mate. Yeah, we should be fine.
Important, please do not take this off now, chicken.
Please secure the door before transportation.
You
So
already
yeah,
have done that.
so in other words, don't put duct tape on it. You know what I mean?
Why don't you just... Yeah, now you can...
The sound of sellotape ripping,
That's-
said every kidnapper. Right. Is this actually?
Yeah, that's the front.
Shit. Right, fair enough. Oh no, it's the front. But I'm saying I didn't know how the fucking what did it click out? Did it like just pop off? You know what I mean?
I thought you watched the video.
I watched the video, but I didn't know exactly how that bit worked.
Oh,
fan,
okay, fair
fan control and LED. That's quite cool. I have done like a little extension to put into your power supply. That's quite cool. Right then.
Yeah.
Guess what it is?
The motherboard.
No, sound dampening materials. It's not. Or is there more straps than what I thought was there? Oh, come on, you fucking...
It's probably because there are screws here.
No, that's to do with wind of that, mate. There's clips underneath here.
Oh,
I pulled two of them off earlier and it's just slopped back in place.
Oh, look, it is coming out slightly.
That's tough, I'm not going to lie. That's what she said.
No.
Are these just like... That's tough, that's not going to lie, that is really tough. Just clip back in place and I'm sweating. Tell you what, I'm just thinking now. Making the clips there.
Are you sure?
Wait, it's coming off. You see it on this far side here?
Yeah, I know. I can see it on this side as well. But have you taken
Oh,
the
you
pull off?
fucker. Right, I'll tell you what, here. Get that underneath there. Grab it.
Got it. Twist it.
Don't try not to bend it. If you can get it in there. Is it in?
I don't know, is it?
You should tell me to don't attention.
It's in something.
That's what she said.
Oh, it went in then.
Right, go on.
What, lift it up?
If you can.
What if I want?
It's alright. Alright.
Well, at least it's up now.
Right, that's one. That's one lot.
Wine. Hit that wine.
Hit that one. So skipped along a bit further and we've now got side panels and the top taken off. So now we're going to install the motherboard with the CPU and everything else, and just get a bit of a test run before we do anything else. I would do it with taking the actual chassis out of it, but the problem is we've got an all-in-one cooler, H1 and H100i V2, so it is going to be a bit awkward doing that. So we're just going to strap it in here, get a quick boot up, and then see what happens. And if it works, we'll carry on from there. And what are you doing shaking your head for?
Rocking out and agreeing at the same time.
Winston Churchill dog.
Yeah.
But yeah, there's going to be a bit of all sorts going on.
You better go inside it, you stupid. Come on, go. No, no.
What did you use? What make? Corsair?
No. I can't remember. Like X something.
Razors? Did you use
Razors, yeah.
Razor? Oh, right. Ballistics or...
Yeah.
Ah, good pick, good pick. That's not patronising, I'm being serious with that. Good pick, good pick round that, actually.
Blake did it for me.
So this is Corsair Dominator RAMs, DDR4s. Got 32 gig sticks.
And
Well, is it like 8 gig sticks altogether? So what's 4 8s? I'm shit with math.
4 8s, 32.
Yeah, I was right then. So there we are.
Yeah.
They look actually quite nice. Them. I think they've got LEDs as well on the top of them, so
Oh, they did, yeah.
they actually light up, I believe. But we'll have to see. So we'll take out one by one. And how do you install? How do you go about installing your RAM?
Well, but hold on. You see where the gap is, right?
Yep.
In there. You just match it up with that, and then that's it. You.
I'm on about like, do you do it on for the actual? Where do you place it, so to speak?
Oh, it doesn't matter.
No, see, it does. If you put it close together, if you put all your RAM to one side,
Yeah.
it's going to fuck it up. You need to have it on dual bandwidth.
I've only got one thing though. I don't have both sides.
Oh, right, fair enough.
'Cause my motherboard is not.
This has been alright, so
Yeah.
this is not going to fit in. Oh, right.
That's it. And you just push it in, and you just click. There you go. And then you just do the
There we
sides
go.
up. Oh no, they did. So
That
they
is
do
just,
that,
it's just
yeah.
one side. It's weird being an
Push it in
X99.
the triggers. Yeah, that's right.
It's weird being an X99 motherboard.
There
Right.
we go. RAM's
You
built.
see, I would like to have had all these gaps filled in with different, like with hot RAM there, but that's going to
Yeah.
be an upgrade for another time. When I go from 32 to 64, so then it's just going to go boom, 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 and fill all that lot up. But that's another thing for another time. So that's RAM installed. Now we just need to try and get the. That's overall. That's ready.
What graphics card in?
No. We're going to put that in when it's in there. When that's in there
Okay.
altogether. So I think we're going to have to tip that on its side.
Yeah.
Place that in there. So like
Yeah.
put it
That's
over
exactly what you need to do.
Put the put motherboard in. I can't get the words out, honestly.
And plug it in.
Yeah, basically screw it all in. The cable, the actual nut, I didn't say nuts. The screws.
nuts.
These nuts.
Got him.
Got him.
A bit too far there.
Fuck me, this is huge. That's what she said. I can't stress enough like how many times I've like forgot to put the I/O shield in. It's like,
It's Beth's birthday on Monday.
yeah, I know. We're going to be doing I think I'll be doing a vlog that day. I think, which is going to be quite cool. We're going to be going to Wagamama's. Can't wait.
What's Wagamama's? What's Wagamama's?
Do you not know what it is?
Have you never been to Wagamama's?
God, I feel like this happens all the time. I say I don't know something, and then everyone's like,
No,
"Oh my god, you don't know this."
No, don't worry about it. I mean, who was it? Was it you or him that?
What? Probably me. I've never.
No,
been
it was to do with films and stuff. You hadn't watched like certain films.
Yeah, it was me.
Was it you?
I haven't watched Hot Fuzz. People are triggered by that.
Yeah, fair enough.
I'm leaving.
He told me that.
I'm gone.
He mentioned that in the last vlog. That he had not watched Hot Fuzz, which fair enough. But it's like over at UK, Hot Fuzz is quite a well-known film. I don't think it's well known in America, but it is one of them that it's our go-to kind of film. So how would that work? Does that fit in that?
Yeah, basically. It's pretty basic.
Yeah.
Basic.
I didn't know whether to put it in that way or that way. It's a bit awkward.
Well, that's pretty obvious which way it goes.
Well, yeah, I've just tested it now.
Right, what I would do is is put that on top really carefully, and then grab it. Yeah,
You want to?
yeah. Do we screw it in? I'll screw you in,
Yeah,
mate.
it's screwed in, but it's as if the fan's not wanting to fit in that way. It's as if it's too thick. Lol.
Wow, it's a fucking stupid thing, isn't it? Fucking stupid thing. Fucking BPAP.
Stop doing that, man. Jesus Christ. You know why?
Because the Jedi are evil? Oh, wrong way.
Wrong way round.
I knew it was one of them.
No, it couldn't fit in.
Yeah, that's what she said. You get it the wrong way.
You get wrong way
When you put the...
No.
I don't like
No.
it when it's like, I feel bad when I make jokes now.
Where's that hitting? It's as if, oh, fuck me.
So it was the right way.
Yeah, it was the right way. No, it's, how can I put it?
You get to take that
We're
bubble
gonna
out again.
No.
The Jedi evil. How to judge.
So you know how earlier when I was saying we're going to have to take chassis out?
Yeah.
We are going to have to do it, but not out. We have to lower it.
Okay.
Because
is it colliding
the
with
fan is hitting there.
Oh.
Screws for...
The Jedi.
No, the... Never mind.
I like it's such a casual me saying that everyone puts it off as casual now. I tricked people into thinking normal talk.
Yeah, but they have Jedi mind tricks. Do you want to say you're a Jedi?
This is a bag of grommets. So basically, what we have done
Is it
here
Wensleydale?
is shut up. What we have done here is we have successfully inputted the motherboard.
Successfully.
We have successfully put
I
in.
thought you said sexually.
We had sexually.
Yeah, I thought you said.
We have sexually put in the motherboard, and what's the other thing?
Cooler.
And we're put the cooler. We're just finishing with the cooler now, putting the screws in.
Do we have any trouble with it?
Let's not go into that. We had loads of trouble, obviously.
We had shit tons. We were nearly here for an hour.
Well, that's very true. But as you can see, business is progressing as usual, and I'm sure we'll be finished within 10 hours.
10 hours? You can fuck off.
10 hours. 11 then, sorry. God, my bad.
Right, we had to lower the entire chassis down so we could actually fit the cooler in there, because the cooler was hitting the power inputs.
Yeah.
So we had to lower the entire thing, which lowering it for this case is good, but it's a pain in the arse, especially if you want to put a good cooler in there. And I'm just putting in the cooler standpoint so you can actually put the pipe on. So we're going to get there eventually, but we've been here now. How long have we been here for since we
I
started?
don't know. My phone's dead. Reds, get your phone out. Camera.
We've not even got into.
It's 1:30, so we've been here.
It's 1:30.
2.5 hours.
So 2.5 hours, and we hadn't even got into the. We hadn't even put the graphics card in or anything yet. We hadn't even booted this thing up.
Oh, we're far away from that.
I'm not gonna lie. From my last build, this has got to have been the longest because of the case.
I think mine took like 4 hours.
4 hours? Well, that's not bad actually. Is that a full? Is that like a full rebuild though, or was it a?
No, it was like building this.
Or just like,
But it was
like a
less.
full build up?
It was less complicated though because mine's a lot simpler. Like I don't have a cooling system or it's just graphics card,
right.
CPU, motherboards, fans, power supply. Done. You know.
Fair enough. So now I'm just gonna put the pipes
We're just
on.
gonna charge
This is
Iron Man's
stiff
heart.
as fuck, this is stiff.
That is what she said, bitch.
No, I'm like, I ain't kidding. This is like really stiff to put on.
Stop recording. Stop recording. Stop recording. It's a trap. It's a trap. No.
Oh shit.
Did you die? What do you need?
No, I need you to put your hand on the panel at the back to stop it going backward if I have to push.
Oh, okay.
Have I got the wrong end? I fucking have. I'm putting crosshead on top of the screw bit.
Retarded. Sorry.
Steady on you, alright.
Yeah.
I know water cooling's nice and all, but sure for me, is it awkward at
I
times?
don't have one.
You see, it's alright, but I want the cooler to. The thing is, a lot of people are going to be looking at me and saying, "Oh, are you going to overclock it and stuff like that?" And it's like,
fuck.
no, I'm not overclocking it. There are people out there that do it.
I don't overclock mine.
There are people that out there that overclock their PCs.
Yeah, no.
But this would be one of them that if I had to overclock it, it'd have to be me.
What?
No, I thought you were pushing an extension cable into my leg, and I was like, "The fuck's that feeling?"
No.
It's a bullet. Well, you're just happy to see me. I hope my parents don't see this. Sorry, Mum. Sorry, Dad.
No, I'll be fine.
Right, that should be fine, that now, mate.
Okay.
I say should be. I'm literally.
Shood's good enough. Red. You shut up. You don't talk, Red. Show yourself on camera. We have successfully installed the cooling system. We think we have successfully installed the cooling system.
You need to disconnect the wires and fucking loop them through the back.
We are fucked. No, joking.
No, we're
This is
not
an
that
easy
bad.
step. As you can see, all we're doing is taking them apart, putting them through the back, putting them back together. We're done. Easy.
That's the cooler bit done, and then we can move on to doing like hard drives and shit.
Yeah.
After God knows how many hours of trying to sort this lot out and put the cooling in and the hard drives in and the disk drive in and all that kind of stuff, and also doing a bit of cable management at the same time, we've managed to get the whole thing pretty much done. Let me crack my light. Where's my light? Oh, it's there. But yeah, ultimately it's getting there eventually. I think another good few minutes and we should be ready to power the thing up. Hopefully.
Yeah.
We didn't actually do a BIOS test.
No,
We didn't do a BIOS test because we couldn't really do it. But I think
You got me.
once we get the graphics card in and everything else, we should have a good idea of where we stand.
Yes.
Put the cables in and everything else, we should be fine. I hope. I don't think there's anything wrong altogether in terms of like the thing, but we don't know until we power it up. And I'm gonna sneeze. Bless me.
Bless the gods.
Bit of a quick thing on the case. If you're not really fussed about getting finger marks all over it, don't buy this case. This case is absolutely filled with them. So if you're not fussed about it, or if you want to wear gloves all the time when you're using it, then you can go for it. But you ain't got a chance. So now we're going to be unboxing. Well, not unboxing, but we're going to be going through and putting in the GTX 1080. If I can actually get the box out. Oh yeah.
Yay.
Actually take the box out. And this puppy comes with no bells and whistles it needs to do. Look in there, there should be a cable in there for power, I think. I've already had a look at this recently and it's actually not too bad. I've not tested it. Well, I say I didn't test it. I tested part of it to see if the drivers was up to date on it. But yeah, I tested it on Mafia 3, I believe. And I was getting really shitty frame rates. That was due to an actual bottleneck in my CPU. With this i7 that's currently in, it should be fine. I say it should be. But there's going to be a video coming up soon.
Oh, nice.
Where... Nice, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Decent piece of kit. I like it. I like the look of it. But it's one of them that a lot of people said that, oh, like, you'd reference GeForce GTX is better. You know when you have that the normal GeForce bit on logo.
Yeah.
A lot of people said they're nice. And it's like
nice.
they are nice to have, but I think that's not everything. I think it's just raw power more than all. You know, like having the lights on side and stuff. I think it's
Fuck making it fancy.
See, this one's a one for boost. No, for the core clock, the normal clock is 1.76. The boost clock is 1.96. So it's pretty fucking quick. You know what I mean? It's a pretty quick one. But oh bloody hell! I'm right putting this in. I even took the back plate out. Right, we've just switched on the power supply and we've got lights coming out of the graphics card and lights coming out of the motherboard. We're just about to connect our one monitor up, as well as, yeah please, thank you. And basically it's moment of truth time, whether this actually works or not. So, display ports in, we're going to put as motherboard. We're going to put his keyboard in, as well as his mouse. we're going to get... Oh, steady on.
Yeah, Velcro's getting stuck to the bridge.
Don't lose those thumb screws because they're what fix onto the thing for panel, for window panel, so be careful. There's about 4, I think, altogether. USB 3, no. Oh, it feels weird putting USBs in a fresh new motherboard. Feels like gritty.
It's the graphics card, yeah, it's on.
Yeah, graphics card's on, everything's working, it's just... It's glowing. Oh shit, I didn't expect that. Right.
Okay.
Bear with it. Power, DP, yep.
Okay.
Right, we're going to switch it
push
on.
the button, okay. Here we go.
We need to look everywhere.
Right.
These won't run. These fans won't run at first. They'll probably run if I'm on like a game or something.
They won't, yeah, same.
So,
you can turn it on by the SI after.
Red, you ready? Right. We've had a bit of a problem, but we're going to see if it works. 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
George, come here. That's fucking mint. How did you do that?
I don't know, she did.
Fucking come here.
Yes.
You fucking lucky bastard.
Yes, there you go.
Jesus, how the fuck? Oh. Oh no. No
When the
signal.
fuck would it do that?
It does it all the time with me. You know when I'm trying to connect all 3 screens? Yeah, 3 screens up. Oh, hold on.
Oh, it's working.
That's red. For some reason.
Oh, much time.
Oh, wait up. We've got a BIOS. We've got a BIOS. So we are getting there. Right. CPU fan speed error connected.
Short switch, so no keyboard detected. Yeah, you need to plug in a keyboard.
Right, get that in.
I'll just put it in the front for now.
No,
Open it in the back, or should we just stick it in the front? It'd be nice to know if they work. Is your keyboard on? Yes, it is on. Okay. I'll probably put the mouse in as well. You're going to be brought to a menu soon, so actually, which will be operated by a keyboard numpad, maybe numpad. I don't know. Okay. So it says.
Right.
Okay,
CPU fan error detected. Why is that? Ensure to install the CPU fan properly onto the CPU fan header. Could that be because of them cables? Or just
I think it is
speed?
disabled because you're taking the CPU and put the fan there. I think it's still. I think it's a no.
No keyboard detected.
No, it is now. Press F1 and see what happens. I wouldn't worry too much about the CPU anyway because fans. You got a lot of fans.
Well, of course I'm worried about it because it's
Okay.
coming up.
Your temperature is fine.
Straight 26. Boot priority.
So your CPU fan is on. Nice. Oh no, that was
CPU opt fan.
optional fan, I reckon.
CPU fan NA. We're getting NAs all across it.
Oh, we got to run this up again. Don't worry.
Gallery.
Let's go up and running.
That's really good. Cool. Well, yeah, I'm still learning.
It's it, just. Where's your shoes on?
I've got my shoes on anyway, yeah.
You too. Cool. Was that George?
You heard me.
Yeah, that's my phone you use it memory upon.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, we've managed to finally get it running. We've had a bit of a problem at first with the power supply not actually fitting one of the ports, but now it's fixed. It's rated enough now. We're just going to go through and update everything else up, and then we'll get all 3 monitors whacked back in. And what else is there to do apart from that? Apart from monitors? I know there's some stuff I just can't think.
Lights.
LED lights, yeah, we'll get the LED strips in there. We'll get the panel put back on.
Capture card.
Capture card, we'll get that installed in there as well. There's a few other bits and bobs that are going to get installed, and then apart from that, we should be ready to go. yeah, that's it. So guys, that's the overall PC done all together. The reason why it's looking as it is because I've recently had to change the motherboard again, and also I've changed the power supply inside as well. The whole thing had to have the motherboard changed because it was practically dead after about a day of using it, and that was no kind of Ada 64 running or anything like that. That's just been normal idle running. The actual USB system failed altogether, and I ended up having to swap out for a new motherboard, and also got and put in the new power supply as well. So up to now it's fixed. That is roughly what it looks with a with red RGB lighting inside. So that's red as it is. We'll just cycle through the colours, and that's off. And then it goes to white and back to red. So we're just going to leave it on red for now because I kind of like the look of it. But yeah, basically that's the overall PC build finished, and yeah, we're going to start getting some more content out for you guys with that. So I hope that you liked this whole video. If you like it, hit the like button, subscribe, share this video if you want to have a bit of a barrel of laughs. And also keep watching this video because there's going to be an outtake reel at the end. So I hope you guys like it, and yeah, let me know what you guys think of it. If you like it, hit the like button, subscribe if you like, and yeah, keep an eye out for more content. Get to see you all later, guys. See you later. Bye bye.
Stupid, like he always does.
The actual video is running, you know.
Hello, my name is Bob.
It's alright.
Barley.
We'll put this on an outtake reel.
Outtake reel.
Yeah, just do deleted. Well, I've got deleted scenes on other stuff anyway from last night. Lol. Shut the fuck up now. In my cupboard.
Sorry, I was doing it.
Jesus Christ. There's gonna be a load of bloopers in there, so I'm not gonna lie. Oh.
Yeah, it's just me fucking them out.
Yeah, practically.
Yeah.
LED controller, fan filter. Honestly, God, George, you get a hard on your out of you.
Okay, I better
You
go.
are out of here, mate. I can't even get the clip off. You wanker.
We are number one.
Are you kidding? Don't bring that into this.
Why do you exist exactly? Why do you exist? Why do you live? Where do you live? Why?
Nothing's broke. No. Right. Try and grab that fucker. I'm sweating cobs. I'm like sweating bricks.
Exterminate. Oh, that's not even right.
I'm literally sweating corn not cobs.
Oh, my name is.
Is that your riot shield?
Oh yeah, shit, right, shit. Yeah, you know. Look, just say it. Fuck off.
You doing memes again, George?
Kind of. But
It's either yeah or no. It's not kind of. Oh dear. Oh shit. Is that in?
should I just say it? Dora.
Sitting on
Did he port it?
Did you get that? George, you're gonna get me banned. You're gonna actually get me banned.
Just cut it out. Just do like.
I know you're doing memes and stuff, but
Yeah,
Jesus.
I wasn't gonna say it.
It's gonna get cut out anyway. It's gonna get cut out. There's a lot of stuff that's gonna have to get cut out of this video. I'm gonna have to put PC build explicit. Right, oh, it won't be when they come and see me. Joshua, you've been fraternising with some fella, haven't you? No.
Like how you just impersonated your parents while they were watching.
Oh, they're gonna kill me. They are gonna absolutely kill. Mum's like, I don't fucking sound like that. That'll get cut out. That's gonna get cut out. Oh
Yeah.
God, she's gonna kill me when she comes down to see me. You watch.